Whether a fib retracement covers the price range of an uptrend or a downtrend, the levels, and therefore the proportions, concern movement based within the confines of a trend's price range. The trend from which a fib retracement is drawn can be called the reference trend. Movements are compared to that range of proportions, percentages, and ratios. These are essentially all the same things expressed in different formats. For example, a $10 wide reference trend covered by a fib retracement has movement compared in relation to that $10 range, which is 100% of the trend's range. A 23.6% portion of the range, more commonly represented by the 0.236 level, defines a $2.36 portion of the entire $10 range. A 38.2% or $3.82 portion of the $10 range is represented by the 0.382 level. Then, for example, there is a $2.14 difference in terms of the distance between the 1 and 0.786 levels. That is a 21.4% portion of the entire $10 range. There is a $5.50 difference between the 0.786 and 0.236 levels. That is a difference equal to 55% of the entire $10 range the fib retracement covers. A fib retracement is a gauge of how far the reference trend can be reversed before the new trend falls back into the influence of the reference trend to form a retracement.